Hi, I'm Margie Remmers-Davis with Crystal Clear Cash Flow, creator of the fast and easy way to QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor certification. Today, we're going to be walking through one of the exercises from our Advanced Level course, Section 1, Lesson 1, which is an introduction to advanced categorization. Now, in order to kind of understand the concept of advanced categorization, there are a couple of basic things that you have to remember. And so one of those things that we're going to be covering, which is in this practice exercise, is looking at the transaction journal. Now, this is one of two exercises in this lesson. They are optional exercises. So if you remember how to do this, then you can skip them. But if you need a refresher, let's go ahead and dive in. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a closer look at our scenario. Craig recently sold a rock fountain and some sprinkler pipes to his customer, Mark Cho. Use the transaction journal for invoice number 1035 to determine how much the cost of goods sold, or COGS account, was debited for this transaction. All right, so the first thing that we need to do is log into the sample company, and I have that open right here. And then the next thing is to find that invoice. So we're going to find invoice 1035. There are a number of ways that we can do that. I'm going to go ahead and just use this little search right up here and type in 103, oops, not 0.035, 1035. And then when I do that, because it's the only thing that matches, it goes ahead and pops up this invoice for me. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click More and select Transaction Journal. So let me just take that off so you can see it a little more clearly. It's right here is where I click More, and then I select Transaction Journal. And as you remember, every transaction, you can look underneath the covers and see exactly what was credited, debited, how it all worked for that particular transaction. Okay, so in this case, you can see that the total debited to COGS was $135. Here is $125 for the rock fountain, and here is $10 for the sprinkler pipes. So that's $125 plus $10. So the answer to this question is $135. Now, inventory and COGS and this inventory asset account, all of that stuff is covered in section 3 of the advanced course. And so we go into way more detail in that section. But for the purposes of this exercise, that's all we need to do. So if you found this exercise helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you would like to be notified every time that we post other videos, make sure that you subscribe and click the little bell. And of course, if you have any questions about this particular exercise or our courses in general, make sure that you click the links below. And that's it for me. I will see you next time.